Everybody, it's me, Sissy. I'm back today with some Dollar Tree holiday DIYs, some quick and easy ways you can use items from the Dollar Tree to decorate for Christmas. So let's get started.
For this first DIY, it's so quick and simple. I found these really cute bags at the Dollar Tree with the cute puppies on it, and we're simply going to cut them to fit into some frames, which I picked up at the Dollar Tree also. So you'll have a nice framed holiday decor, and it costs $4 for 2 pictures. I got the 11 by 14, which is the perfect size for these bags. You could even get a smaller frame and just do sections of the bag, whatever you like. And the good thing is you have 2, so you can make one and share it if you wanted to. But anyway, let's get these bags cut up. Okay, for my next DIY, we're going to take this little jolly sign and we're going to redo it more in my Christmas colors, and I'm going to change the pattern back here. So to do that, I'm just going to take my little spatula tool and we're going to pop the back off of it. Get under the seam where it's glued, and we're gently going to go around and get it loosened. Okay, so we got the back off, and I didn't know it, but it does have some tiny little staples in here, so we're going to have to kind of bend those down when we put the paper on the back. Now you can leave this paper on here and just glue over it depending on how thick your paper is. I actually have some wrapping paper that I want to use, so I'm going to try to get this off a little bit. This was kind of in my colors, but y'all all know how much I love my dogs, and I found some wrapping paper at TJ Maxx that is exactly my colors that I want to use this year, and it has dogs on it, so that's what I want to put back here. Of course, you get one little piece that wants to be stubborn. Well, hopefully it will cover. I don't want to sit here and mess with it. And my wrapping paper, it is so cute. I just love this so much. But we're just going to roughly measure and cut a piece so we can work with it better. Just going to put our piece of wood down and trace around it. To attach our glue, we're going to use some spray adhesive. So I just have a cardboard box. This is just an old Amazon box. And I'm going to wrap my little board in here. And I'm just going to spray it with some, with my, this is Elmer's Craft Bond. This works really good. And you could just use school glue or Mod Podge or anything like that. But I kind of want to do this quickly, and I think this will give me less bubbles in my paper because this paper is kind of thin. And I do it in a box because I don't want everything in my crafting in my kitchen, so I don't want everything in here sticky. Alright, y'all stay out that box, pups. Then I'm just going to line up my paper. And smooth it out. Okay, so now we have the back done, we're going to work on the front. Which, I mean, it's perfectly fine the way it is, but I'm just not a big fan of the gold. I usually use silver in my color, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to paint this silver, and I have two paints. I have the Folk Art brush metal in a silver gunmetal gray, and then I have some holographic glitter that we're going to put over that. So I finally got it all painted, and it didn't look sparkly enough for me, so I had this adhesive diamond wrap. So I'm just going to outline the letters with the diamond wrap. Okay. So once we've got that done, we're going to put it back on the little backing. We're going to line it up. We're going to use just a little bit of hot glue. You can use E6000, and I still have some little slight staples sticking up. So I'm going to press it down really good. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this in my decorations. I displayed my two framed gift bags and my little jolly sign. Let's see if I can zoom in on it, and my little forest of trees. I think it turned out really cute, and I put some little blue snowflake lights behind there, and then I have my Let It Snow snowman sign, all from Dollar Tree. Okay, y'all, that was my quick and easy Christmas decor idea using items from Dollar Tree. You can find some great stuff at Dollar Tree with a little bling, a little paint. You can make it yours. You can make it fit the style of your home, from bling to country to retro or alternative colors, because I'm not real big on the red and green. I like the teals and the blues and the purple, so I kind of try to make them match my decor. But y'all stay tuned. I have some more decorating videos coming up, and then some gift ideas, and just Christmas in general. And remember, I'm having a giveaway on the 15th. I know I haven't shown my gift basket yet, but I'm still getting the stuff together, but I will show it soon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to be entered. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.